Hello and welcome to SDSC Specialist Cars. This is our video review of our 2003 BMW Z4 2.5. She's just coming to us. Been really well looked after, this car. I know she's an early one, but condition wise she's lovely. A real enthusiast car, which is why I bought her in, because she's so nice, as you will see as we go around. Starting on the front wing here, all really nice and clean on there, no marks or anything on there. Front wheel really clean, little bit of curbing just on the outside edge, you can just make it out just on there, but has been touched in. Coming along the driver's side, all really clean, no marks, dents, scratches or anything on here, really lovely. Look at that. The hood's in fabulous condition as well. Rear wheel there, again, spot on, and we've just fitted a new roof motor to her. It's always a trait with BMW Z4s. I think every single one of them's had a roof motor fitted at some point. It's a real silly design fault. Coming around the back, as you can see, all really lovely here, really nice and clean. Lovely reflection in the boot lid there, look at that. And the rear wheel there, again, absolutely spot on. Coming down the passenger side, love the lines on this car, look at that. Just superb. Look at the shine on the bonnet, look. Look at that shine on that, it's fantastic. And the front wheel there, again, just a tiny little bit of curbing just on the outside edge, you might be able to just make it out, but very, very small. Around the front of the car, headlights are nice and clear, as you can see. No stone chips or marks or anything on here, badges are nice and shiny. No chips on the bonnet either. All look really lovely, so shiny in fact that the camera's having difficulty focusing on it. Just give it a minute, there we go. It's only because it's 8 o'clock at night, it's the end of the day. Inside, good spec on this car as well. She's got full black leather interior, all really clean, no wear on the bolster or anything there, really nice. Seat pads all really clean. She's covered, if we can do it over there, 85,321 miles. We've got the sat-nav units up there, and the info, air conditioning, sport button, 5-speed manual gearbox. She's got the proper car mats as well, so all the car mats and everything are lovely. Look at the door shuts, really clean. Driver's door card, no wear or anything on that. We've got the BMW logo there on the kick plates, you can see that. We'll just open the bonnet while we're here. I won't show you in the boot because it's a bit small, there's not a lot in there really. It's all nice and clean though. And we come round to the passenger side. And the passenger seat again, really nice, look at that. I have to be honest, I've driven this car quite a bit and it does drive ever so well. Really, really well. No marks on the passenger door card, as you can see. And we come round, have a look under the bonnet. That fabulous straight 6. Oh, I just noticed there's a scratch just on the bonnet here. I've just noticed that. I don't know if you can see that. It's very, very fine. Might be able to polish that out. We'll have a go. Under here, it's lovely. Look at that. This is the best engine to have on these BMWs, this 2.5. The 3's a bit too much, and the 2 litre, it just feels like a different car. The extra weight of the engine just makes it much more balanced compared to the 2 litre. You can see how clean it is, look at that, it's just lovely. I mean, normally all of this is rusted up all over the place here from where all the water's been coming in when people have been driving along motorways, but this has been properly looked after. And there we have it. That's our video review of our 2003 BMW Z4 2.5. Should you have any more questions, please give me a call. My name is Stuart and our website is www.sdsc.co.uk. Many thanks for watching.